someone who doesn't belong. Soon someone new and true will come along. He doesn't understand you, no, no. He doesn't realize your love is true. He will regret it one day. Just listen to what I say. Listen to what she says. Your love is a beautiful thing. Don't waste it on someone who doesn't belong. Soon someone new and true will come along. And when he's finally gone, you must not worry, because before long there will be someone new